So here we have the girl gang and the girl power, okay, who's going to explain us how much did they enjoy about our innovation club's wonderful science fair. And this is the day that we are celebrating our Vishweshwarayya's birthday on the Engineers Day. And we have Sana here representing all the girls from her school. Sana, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು?
ಸರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ
ಸೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ, ಹಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿದ್ರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಅವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಓದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಮಿಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಇದರಿಂದನೇ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ, ಮಿಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಓದ್ತಾ ಮಲಗಿದ್ದೀವ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವ, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವ, ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರು ಓದ್ತಾನೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ರೆಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಟೀಚರ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದರಿಂದ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ವೋ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತವನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
So sweet, fantastic. So what she actually meant was the online classes is now the trend that is going to happen, and we really want the trend to come back to normalcy very soon. We are waiting for that. But what she was trying to say was it's that people attending the online classes, the students attending the online classes, the teachers will get to know if the students are not attentive enough. So that kind of a project is what she saw it, and she was very impressed by it. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡುತ್ತೆ.
She says she likes online classes, but it's a little confusing sometimes. Yeah, so ಬೇಗ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. So I'm happy to see that everybody is wearing mask and they're maintaining the social distancing. That's really really important. ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ and ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಪುಟ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
From the girl power of our Sarkari Pradashale to our Presidency University's girl power. You know what, Trupti, the girls have completely understood your project and they were really really happy and they were explaining it really well. But you please explain the scientific terminologies behind it and what is this project all about?
Yeah, sure. So basically this is a person detection project which we are doing it here. It is used to detect a person who is sitting in front of the laptop for the students. Example, for the student, if a student is attending the online class, the person is detected, the student is detected, and these type of data will get, person detected data will get. So that student will get attendance. This lecture, the teacher will get to know that student is listening to the class. So he or she is not like doing other stuff rather than listening to the class. So if the person is not in front of the laptop, if the person is not listening to the class, no person detected data will get. So the teacher will get to know the student is not listening to the class.
Right. So fantastic. By innovating this one, okay, from the Innovation Club, don't you think you are kind of making it a little difficult for all your friends who's attending online classes?
Of course it is.
What's your name?
Alina.
Yes, Alina. So what will your friends tell if this becomes a reality?
All of us have solutions to problems. You can even sit in front of the camera and sleep. It's anyways going to detect your ears and features of the face. So it's anyways, yeah, so we have better options as well.
So sweet. Thank you for letting off that secret. No, because see, what we are trying to say is we need to attend online classes because that is the norm, and we are waiting for the norm to change and come back to normalcy. But wonderful innovation, really well done, and I'm so happy that the kids have understood. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yes, welcome.
So we have Dhanush here. Dhanush, you are trying to explain the 9th and 10th standard students of our Chikkabanavara Pradashaleya government school Hudugurge. You are trying to explain it out. What is it actually? What are you trying to explain to them?
ನೀವು ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಅದು ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ವೇವ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಇಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ವೈರ್ ಇಲ್ದಿರನೆ ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿನ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು DCL ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ 9 volts ಸರಿನಾ. ಅದು DC ಇಂದ ನಾವು AC ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. AC ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ AC ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಬಲ್ಪ್ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ AC ಇರಬೇಕು. AC ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. AC ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್. ಅದರಿಂದನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಬಲ್ಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರಿಂದ ರಿಸೀವರ್ಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋ ಇದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ವೇವ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ LED ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ವೇವ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರಿಂದ ರಿಸೀವರ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಗ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಕಾರು ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟರಿಂದ ರಿಸೀವರ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ವೇವ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So with Innovation Club, we are celebrating Sir M. Vishweshwaraya's birthday, and we are just seeing how the school kids are enjoying all the project works so fantastically. How are they able to enjoy it? How are they able to see and understand what they are, what they've been shown? It's all because of Miss Sheila ma'am that is here.
Me, sir. So many
Yeah.
are there.
So many are there.
5 science teachers in the school, and I am a science teacher, basically BSc CBZ. But I am the in charge of this Atal Tinkering Lab, which is sanctioned just 1 month before.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is all these equipments, and how are students getting to use this?
Central government, yeah.
How are students going to use this, and what is the process that you obtained it from the government and all that?
Yeah, it's actually sanctioned to the school. It's our this one opportunity to make the students to get to know what is going on in the advanced fields of science. Our school students, no, they are not trained, but unknowingly they know so many things. More than us, they are trained by watching YouTube nowadays. They are under the online education, no. So they are well versed with so many terms what are coming under the technological fields.
So Sheila madam, today our Presidency University is having the science fair in your school. How happy you're feeling, or what do you think about this fair first of
We
all?
are happy that all applied sciences have to approach the school students. Actually, in the school, what they learn that will go waste if they don't apply in their life. So, in their future life, no, they have to apply with wholeheartedness, because unknowingly our students are learning so many things. And technical fields also they are getting interested in going to BE or diploma fields, because nowadays they have to be well trained in that fields also.
And we have Dr. Divya Rani with us. Madam, such a wonderful opportunity for us. Innovation Club, and also our Electric and Communication Engineering Department is organizing this Science and Technology Fair. How happy you are seeing this equipments, first of all?
Exactly, sir. Really, I am feeling very happy that I didn't expect that government school will have such a wonderful opportunity to get approval from AICT. Right. So they have been approved with Atal Innovation Labs.
Right.
So I am thinking that to collaborate with madam and joining hands with them, so that we can train. So weekly once we can come here and we can train. So that means we can share our knowledge, whatever we have gained so far in our research and innovation. So we can share.
And also, you know what, ma'am, what happens is, for our students, I mean from Presidency University, all the engineering students, they get to show their project work, they get to teach the students of 9th standard, 10th standard students, they are also sharing their knowledge.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. This is a platform created for everyone. Right. So it is going to benefit even our students. Exactly. Our students are get to know each and everyone. Right. So they are sharing their knowledge. So exchanging the knowledge is happening here, as well as students are also enjoying. So you have witnessed that. Yes. So such a wonderful, the team students have come here to learn, and they are asking me, madam, how it works. Yeah, it is going to benefit for our society. Correct. We will also work in future. Correct. So I will also become engineering. Okay. So there are so many sir MVs here, if I am not wrong. Yes, exactly. So let us all join together, yes, motivate them, train them. Okay, so we have ready resources available here. Exactly. Right? So what we want, right?
What? Yes, exactly.
So we will actually definitely in this platform I can actually commit to madam that. So I'll talk to our that is higher ups and come with the plans how.
Our students are in government school. You know that their economical, socio-economical background is little far behind than the private schools. But I think they have so much brain. Means they apply everything in their daily life. And every year we are getting selected into the Inspire Award competition also. They are on their own innovating something.
Ma'am, they may be a little behind in economical background per se, but they are very rich in knowledge.
Yeah.
They are really rich in knowledge, and we are here from President's University, and ma'am will talk to our higher ups, and we will definitely see how we can collaborate with your school more and more.
Yeah, I request all the faculties as well as your students to train our students.
So sweet. Definitely.
To make them more and more well versed with these all applied fields of science. Yeah.
She is committing it, and ma'am is here. Ma'am, I am really happy. And few words about your department and Innovation Club. All the other faculty members who supported you, and the students, of course, who've done such wonderful projects. Few words about them, and then we will close the video.
Yes, sir. So first of all, I would like to wish all the engineers a happy Engineers Day, sir. So in this event, we have, gone one step ahead to motivate school students of 9th and 10th, so that so they can also come to know what is exactly the innovation, what is invention. So what will be the ultimate product. Okay, so to that level we have showcased our exhibition to all the student kids. They have really enjoyed and hope. So as I spoke already, that many Sir MVs are here in this school. So definitely we'll support them and we'll train them. So before they get into some technical field, so they'll be ready for industry. That is what I can say.
Thank you so much. Thank you.